How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 69 Camaro big block 4-speed. It's got your cowl hood. It's badged as a 427 SS. It's done flame orange, your white stripes. See, all the bumpers look real nice on the car. It's got your front chin spoiler. Car's nice straight down the sides. I tell you, I really like this car in the orange with the white stripes. It's got a black interior. This is a good solid car. Restored a few years back. Retains most all its original body panels, all the original floors. The rear bumper looks real nice. It's been replaced. Got the rear spoiler. It's got the Z stripes. And the blacked out tail panel looks real tough on these cars. Got the factory rallies, spinner caps. Now this is a 396. It's got aluminum intake, your Holley carb. All looks real nice under the hood. See how nice and clean the doors are. Good solid car. It's got the 3-spoke sport wheel. The headliner looks like new. Looks like they've replaced all the seat covers in the car. Door panels, carpet. Get your new sill plates. See, the jambs are nice and clean. Trunk in his car is real nice. As you can see in the pictures, the trunk floor is real solid. It's got the factory console, your 4-speed. It's got a pair of gauges under the dash there. You know, tastefully mounted. See, the doors in this car are really nice. The floors. The car's really good, solid old car, guys. I tell you, these 69 Camaros getting tougher to find every day. Again, it is a mild built 396. Got your aluminum intake, got your factory valve covers, got a nice set of headers, duals out the back. Fires right up. Super cool car, guys. I tell you, the flame orange with the white stripes looks real tough. Sounds real good. Tell you, got this fit of like Borla mufflers on it, stainless mufflers, sounds real good. Tell you, and this car's just ready to cruise and drive. Have a good time with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.